Hello students, today we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 4, Flames in the Forest. Comprehension A. Mark the sentences as true or false. First, it had been raining for several weeks. False. Second, the first animal that Romy saw was a hare. True. Third, Romy was older than Teju. True. Fourth, there were few animals in the jungle. False. Romy and Teju never felt scared. False. Sixth, the elephant in the middle of the road wanted to attack the boys. False. Seventh, Romy and Teju had to go through the river because the bridge had caught fire. It is true. Eighth, the two boys hadn't known each other very well before. True. Then B. Answer the questions briefly. First question. Where was Romy when the forest fire started? Answer. Romy was at the house of his friend Prem when the forest fire started. Second question. How far was Romy's village from his friend's house? Answer. Romy's village was 7 miles away from his friend's house. Third question. What made Romy fall off his bicycle? Answer. Romy fell off his bicycle as several pheasants flew low across his path just in front of the bicycle. Fourth, who did Romy meet in the forest? Romy met Teju in the forest. Fifth question. Why did Romy tell Teju to beat the milk cans? Answer. Romy asked Teju to beat the cans to scare away the animals. 6. Where did Romy and Teju want to reach? Answer. Romy and Teju wanted to reach the bridge. Then question number 7. What was the elephant doing in the middle of the road? Answer. The elephant was moving restlessly, flapping his big ears. He was not sure where he had to go. Then 8. What did the two boys see when they reached the bridge? Answer. They saw that the bridge is on fire when they reached the bridge. Question number 9. What happened when they reached the middle of the river? Describe. Answer. In the middle of the river, Teju was on the bicycle. Romy kicked off his shoes to use his toes to grip the smooth stones. Romy concentrated on keeping his balance so that he could get the bicycle through as he knew that the current was too strong for Teju to cross on his own. Then C. Think and answer the questions. First question. They hadn't known each other very well before, but now they felt they had been friends for years. What do you think made Romy and Teju bond? Why did they feel they were friends for years? Answer. Friendship doesn't have barrier of age and time. When two or more persons understand each other and always be there whenever the other person needed, they are true friends. Remember, a friend in need is friend indeed. Then second question. The river was quite swift in the middle, but having got safely out of the burning forest, Romy was in no mood to let a little river defeat him. What does this tell us about Romy? Answer. This shows Romy was a very courageous and brave boy who did not get discouraged by problems and rather liked to face the problems and conquer them. Third, what strong virtues or qualities did Romy exhibit? State any two giving instances from the story to support your answer. First, Romy wanted to return home as his father wasn't well. It shows he was a caring son. Second, Romy rode through the forest fire alone. It shows he was courageous. Third, he asked Teju to come along with him. It shows he was a helpful person.